Hey guys, it is Friday morning here in the Philippines, and as promised, we're bringing you another Mini GT car, and we are doing videos each day up to the new year. So we got one left after this one for New Year's Eve. And today, the Mini GT vehicle we're bringing you, as I mentioned yesterday, is a very unique European car. And actually, my diorama is very suiting for this one. This is your RUF Rodeo. This is a very unique vehicle based on like a Porsche 911. They built this car to, I guess, compete or drive through the African safari. So this is equipped with luggage racks and all the essential tools and such that you would need for a safari. It is a four-wheel drive vehicle or all-wheel drive vehicle, unlike other RUF vehicles. So let's get him out and take a look at him after we go over the box, of course. As you can see, RUF Rodeo presentation. I'm not sure if these ever made it into production. They were made as a presentation car, or this was made as a presentation car back in 2020, I believe. So I'm not sure if it made it into production or not. So here on this end cap, you have the Mini GT logo, and you have the Scale 1/64th kind of done in that satin gold look of the car. On the bottom side of the box, you have your age recommendations, the choking hazard warnings because of the small parts. This end cap is blank. The top side has collector number 421 and where to find Mini GT online and where to find them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On the back side, you have your official TSM holographic sticker, your TSM licensing, and your licensing for RUF and other people. And then on the UPC, you have your RUF Rodeo presentation left-hand drive. As I mentioned, this is like a one-off vehicle, so it was only available in left-hand drive. I think even if it made it in the production, they were only going to be available in left-hand drive, but I'm not sure on that. Try to get it out here. So, as usual, they come in these unique little PVC trays that keep the car from flopping around in the box and keep it safe during shipping. So, here is your Rodeo. And very cool looking little car. So, let's zoom in a little bit here and go over the details. So you have the car done in like a two-tone paint. I guess I would call this like a satin gold and then like a matte black or brown bottom half. I think it's like a brown, it looks like, because the body molding down here is black and it kind of breaks up that matte brown finish with the matte gold or satin gold, however you'd like to call it. The wheels are done in the same kind of gold color, which is pretty cool. It does have the mirrors that are rubberized but still a little stiff, so you need to be careful with them. And you have all of your details like the vents on the rear fender flares. Then going around to the front, which is really cool, you have all these fog lights with the covers on them, with the RUF logo. You have acrylic headlight lenses, and then you have a front rope. I don't know if this is a winch or not, but it does house a rope and such, and it does wrap around to the base, so it is mounted fairly good. So it could be a winch, I'm not sure. And as you could see, the underneath of the car was basically like one big inspection cover or like two big inspection covers to keep, I guess, all the dirt, sand, and such out. And what was unique about this, as I mentioned, it is a all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicle, whatever you'd like to call it. I think it was all-wheel all the time, but you could adjust the torque on the fly with a knob inside the center console of the car, which is pretty cool. So depending on the terrain, and if you're stuck and you need to add more power to the front or rear, you could do this with this adjustment knob in the center console. So let's go around to the other side and kind of take a look on the inside. As you can see, it has that really nice, like brown leather interior, fully detailed luggage rack. Which, what I like about this, it kind of reminded me of the Camel Trophy winner Land Rover when I seen it. So this would look really cool sitting next to the Camel Trophy winner. But you have your matching, like, I don't know if I call it saddle colored luggage. And I'm taking it that the green is either a canopy or a tent. So the bags actually match the interior of the vehicle, which is pretty cool. And going around to the back side, just like the Camel Trophy winner, except not on the back of the Camel Trophy winner, it was, I think, on the front fender they had a shovel. This has a shovel mounted to the rear engine cover. So pretty cool. And then it has red acrylic taillight lenses. No plate on it. So, and it is metal on metal, held together with button head Phillips screws. So that is one sweet little car. And as I said, it looks very suiting sitting there in this old rundown barn building that looks like it would be found in a desert somewhere. So that's like perfect picture there for this RUF Rodeo. So guys, that wraps it up for this one. I will be back tomorrow morning with another mini GT piece, which is another vehicle that is JDM that I've never shown before on my channel. So this is a brand new JDM car for me. I will be showing it to you tomorrow. So be sure to tune back in for that. And enjoy your Friday, your last Friday of 2022. Thanks for watching, guys.